Hello everyone, welcome to RF4 channel. Today I will show you the CPU welding process with some of our products. Here are some of the RF4. Okay, the first one is the motherboard fixture. Here is for the motherboard. This is for motherboard. As you can see, it's clamped tightly. And the CPU also very tightly. Next one is the remove. Here have 4 pieces screws for clean motherboard or the CPU. This screw clean. Final is the SMD. Here have 3 memory. One, H2, H3, and H4. The especially function is the cold air. When you click this, okay, you can see the temperature is down. Then you can cool the motherboard or the CPU from this function. That's this process. We need some of the tools, and here we go.
This is an iPhone 12 motherboard. As you can see, it's curved. Under the microscope, we can see the A14 CPU has no damage and cracks. Now we port the CPU. First of all, we fix the motherboard to the fixture. Make the motherboard more stable and accurate. Not easy to shake. Now we will use the SMD to remove the A14 CPU on the motherboard. Here, choose memory to 220 degrees Celsius full wind to remove vinyl. After the vinyl is removed, choose memory 260 degrees Celsius wind 3 to 4 preheating. You can also choose 50 wind to preheat for 30 seconds. Then choose memory for 320 degrees Celsius wind. After removal, it can be cooled naturally, or switch the cold air to cool the CPU. Observe under the microscope that there is no drop in the lower layer of the CPU. There is no crack. This is good news. Thank you for watching. That's all. Next video we will share about cleaning motherboards to remove vinyl.